Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to make a different kind of video. It is especially for VIT well or freshers or any student who is going to take admission in VIT, who has taken admission already. So अभी इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम के लिए सबका अलग अलग है. फॉर डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस दे हैव डिफरेंट डेट्स फॉर कमिंग टू द कैंपस. तो सबसे पहले आई गेस CS वाले आएंगे. They have to reach the campus by 7th September. So basically I will be telling you about the documents required that you have to submit or whatever you need. And rather than adding subtitles, I'll prefer speaking in English because this information everyone wants to know. And if I'll speak in Hindi, many people will not understand. So that's why. So I think by now you have received a mail regarding what documents you have to bring and by what date you have to reach the campus. So you must have the original document with you and bring at least 2 photocopies with you. If by any chance any one of you has not got the mail regarding the document submission and the date of coming to the campus induction program and all, I'll be showing you the PDF at the end of the video. What you require is the 10th and 12th mark sheet and certificate, then the migration certificate, your transfer certificate, and you need your Aadhaar card and the photocopy of it. So your medical certificate is required. It can be from government hospital or private hospital, that doesn't matter. And with that, affidavit is also necessary. I think 2 or 3 affidavit are there. One is the hostel affidavit, then affidavit by parents and by student also it's there. So 3 are there. You need to ask some advocate. On VTOP freshers portal you will get the PDF for the format of the affidavit, and the student profile also you'll get it there. The medical certificate PDF thing would be also be there, so just get it from there. And along with the affidavit, student profile is also necessary. So on the VTOP freshers portal there would be one website where you can download your student profile and get it signed by your parents and sign it. You also sign it. Here you may get everything you need, like from shampoo and register, pen, everything you will get. But if you are conjuice kind of person or you want to save money, then try to get the register and pen thing from your home only, because here you won't get any discount. Even if you are asked for 10 rupees discount, if you have taken a copy for around 510, and if you ask that I don't want to pay 10 rupees, can I pay 500, then the person in the shop will give you such a look. You will feel as if you are a culprit or something. So if possible, if you are coming from train, just bring all the things. Bring at least 4 to 5 photos of yours, passport size photos, because it will be required in mess also. They need a photo for your card. So bring all your original documents and take printout of everything and keep it in a folder, because while submission it will be easy for you, because at that time only 2 to 3 days are given for the submission, and at that time it becomes very tough to arrange all the things, because classes will also be going on. And even if you forget to take printout, no problem, there is a photocopy shop here, but they may take for one page printout they may take 3 rupees. So it is better if you get it from your home. Otherwise no problem, you will get it here also. For safe side, just take your vaccination certificate also, photocopy of it. If you are coming along with your parents, then there is a guest house in VIT, but for that I guess a link is there for the booking of it, and they also charge money. So better to take outside if you don't get it, because by now maybe people have registered, because when we were coming to the campus it was already booked. If you are an indecisive person in terms of clothes, like choosing clothes, what to wear and what not, then you will be sad to know that there is no uniform. So you have to bring clothes with you, a lot of clothes, because obviously you are not going to wash it every day. And there is no need to bring winter clothes, because यहाँ पे भाई इतनी गर्मी पड़ती रहती है. इवन इन AC तुमको ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली है ठंडे कपड़ों की, तो फिर मत ही लाओ. So I may make a video on FFCS and then your upcoming EPT and document submission, so it will be helpful for you. So if you are interested, then keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe.